Hey everyone, hope you guys doing well and welcome back. So after so many days later, I came with a new video which is related to Salesforce, and today's video I'm going to help you to complete the hands-on challenges for administrator certification maintenance exam. Not exam challenges you need to complete that you already aware who already have the certification. They need to complete the maintenance exam, right? So yeah, so I think who already completed the certification exam, that's very fine. Certification maintenance exam, that's very fine, but who don't have completed yet, so for them I need to tell that please do complete that certification maintenance hands-on challenges by April 5. If I am not wrong, I might be wrong, I have not checked the date, but yeah, that's the timeline. So for complete the challenges, I am sharing, I already share my screen. So see, you need to complete that these steps, these hands-on challenges, the hands-on step to complete. So you need to create a custom case record page, and you need to give the name as enhanced case layout, and API name will be auto-filled by the system, and you need to choose that template, clone the Salesforce default page, and create group view default, upgrade the enhanced case layout record page to use dynamic form, and set component visibility for the additional information section to show only when priority equals high. And at last you need to activate the new page as of default. Okay, so the steps are easy, but still if anyone are not able to complete that steps and challenges, this video will help them to complete, right? So without further delay, I am just launching a playground sandbox where I can show the steps to you, how you can complete the challenges. So give me some time to load that page. Page is loaded. Now I need to select the setup. The page is loading, and type lightning. The app builder came. Select lightning app builder from the user interface section and click new. Select record page. Next, here label, you need to copy the enhanced case layout name for the record page and paste it. Select case object. Next, choose clone Salesforce default page as they already mentioned. Choose template, clone the Salesforce default page, and we need to choose case grouped view default from the top left corner, and done. So now page is loading. Now not fully loaded yet. Now what you need to do, you need to select the upgrade. Now upgrade to dynamic action, that action you need to take. So I'm just reading that sentence, what they have told, that you can now configure dynamic action for the highlight panel in the lightning app builder. The action will be enabled for desktop. Upgrade now. Migrate. Next, case layout, finish, and from here the detail section, also you need to select the upgrade now. Next, migrate, case layout, finish. Now one more action you need to take, that you need to add a component visibility. You need to add a filter for additional information. So let me find additional information section and select add filter, and from field section you need to search for priority equals highs. Because why I'm choosing, because in the challenges section they have told that you need to set a component visibility for additional information section, show only when priority equals high. So mostly we have finished all the step, done, save, and at the last you need to activate the new page as of default. So activate of default, assign as of default, desktop and phone, next, save. So your job has done. Now at last you need to just check the challenges and let's see if we are able to successfully complete the challenges or not. Yep, here it is. We have successfully completed the administrator certification maintenance exam, and I think if you follow this video you also can able to complete that certification maintenance exam. And thanks a lot for watching the video. Stay tuned. I'll stay tuned for my next video. Till now, bye bye. See you.